Good morning, students. Now the revision work of HTML. First, I will discuss the HTML question, that is a table, HTML table from CBSE previous year papers. So this paper is of 2016 or 17. So there is a table in which there are some merging of cells are there. So I am going to discuss how to type the coding of this. So look at here. Start from HTML, then head, then title. Name of the title I am taking here, table. Now head close, body start, after that, now here we have a table in which data is centralized, and for centralized, and I think it is bold also. So if your data is centralized and bold, in that case you will use th tag in place of a td tag. So after that, we will start table tag and then tr. Tr stand for table row. So we started a new row. In this, we have total 2 cells, but first cell span vertical. So this is row span. So I'm taking here TH because your data is centralized and I think it is bold. So that's why I'm taking here TH, then row span equal to 2. And after that, the word is primary, then TH closed, then TH start again, and here look at here, dance. Now after that, in second row, there is a first cell is we have already covered, and aerobics there is only one cell. So we will start TR, but there will be only one TH. Then TH closed, then TR closed. Now we start next TR. Now look at here, in middle school, spanning is in 2 cells. So it is a row by spanning. So I'm taking here TH, row span equal to 2. First is middle school, then TH closed. Next TH, there is gymnastic, and then TH closed, new row start, so old row close, new row start. But in this, there will be only one TH, that is yoga. Then close. Next is here senior school. It is again span vertical, but here spanning is of 3 rows. So I'm taking here TR, then TH, row span equal to 3. The contents are mass club, here first is senior school, and then in next there is math club, TH closed. Now row will be closed, and then next row start. In this row there is only one TH, that is robotics club, TH closed and row also closed. And next TR start, there is only one cell, that is photography. TH close, row close, and then table closed, body tag closed, HTML tag closed. So I am saving this web page in iDrive. Name of the web page is tables.html. You can also take only HTML or HTML. I saved the web page. Now in iDrive, there is a tables. I open the table, but there is one thing, there is no any outline. For making the outline, we will have to use, there is one attribute of table tag, border. I saved this and refresh this. So look at here. So this is the table. If you have any doubt, raise your hands. Okay, now I'm going to create a web page. So look at here. In this web page, there is a heading, headings are there, images there, list are there, but in place of hyperlinks, I will apply only underline, because this portion you will have to learn that one, how to create hyperlinks. So there are some guidelines given, some instructions are given, so we will have to follow that. And in the place these guidelines are silent, then we can apply our own assumptions, we can say, तो आप उसको assumption के मुताबिक कर सकते हो. तो I'm going to start. So I'm saving the web page as web page dot html. So now in this, okay, title of the web page is e-shopping. This is given. The heading is of in red color, text color is maroon, font of entire document is Arial, image is there, then hyperlinks, we will not apply hyperlinks, and a bottom message is there. So these are the guidelines. So according to the, if the guidelines is silent, then we will, according to the appearance, we will take the assumption. So in this, first is title, heading, and they are saying headings is in red color. So in this, first of all, we will use here font color equal to red. Now here is, we will start H1 for heading, but remember one thing, here text is center aligned. Align equal to center, and then the contents are e-shopping. Then line is changed. For changing the line, BR. Then remember one thing, I have not closed the H1. So next line is also H1. I will close H1. Then I will close font tab. So remember one thing, no need to use BR because in H1 line is automatically changed. Now they are saying text color is maroon, and they are saying text color of whole page, not about the title. So if you want to change the text color, you will have to take in body text equal to, they are saying take it as maroon. And moreover, font of the entire document is Arial. So they are saying the font style. So I am again here taking font, or take base font, face equal to Arial. Base font is an empty tag, so no need to close that. Now, after that, there is a text is here, so I'm using here Okay, next is after that there is a one image. Image name is given here, image.jpg, but because this image is not in my computer, so I will insert another image. So here I am taking one image, this one. Go to the properties. I am renaming this image. So there is one problem. So properties, copy the location, use here img tag src equal to location, then slash name of the file with extension. Name of the file, that is a JPG file. Dot JPG. Now the size of the image is will be very large. So here is no any information regarding that. So you can take it according to your assumption. So I'm taking here height equal to 300 pixels, width equal to 300 pixels. But remember one thing, the image is center aligned. So I will have to take center tag before the image. Start and after close the image. Now next is after that there is a contents and then list. So I'm not taking the hyperlinks here. So line in line, the image is automatically in separate line. So line will be changed. We provide the following category of products. After that, list started here. It is an ordered list. So I'm taking here OL tag start, type is 123, that is a default. And in LI, because it is a hyperlink, I'm not giving hyperlink, so I'm underlining the contents. Clothing and accessories. Underline close. Then LI close. Now after that, another nested one nested is here. So I'm taking here UL and type is equal to circle. And here is LI men, LI closed, LI women, LI closed, then LI kids, LI closed. After that, nested list closed. So UL, but the main list still continue. So I'm taking here LI because it is underlined. So I'm taking here U tag, house, hold, appliances, U tag close, then LI close. Now next LI, grocery, it is again underlined. Underline close, and then LI close. Now the main list closed here. After that, there is a horizontal line. So it is HR. Then after that, the contents are center aligned, and moreover, these contents are size 2. So they are saying about it is of H2. So I'm taking here center, then H1. We can also take the align attribute of H1. Align equal to center. The content, it is not H1, it is H2. The contents are shop, timing, (10 AM to 8 PM), then H2 tag closed, and here is body tag I have already closed there, and HTML tag closed here. So I'm saving this file, and now I'm going to open this. So here is a web page. I click on that. So look at here. This is the exact web page. If you have any doubt, you can raise your hands. Akhilesh, any doubt? Bhumika?
Yes, sir, it is clear.
Okay, beta. Now we will discuss other questions from this chapter. Okay, students, raise your hands and answer these questions. To display numbers in a list, which tag is used? Hurry up, beta, hurry up. Yes? Yes, beta. Give answer.
Ordered list, first option.
Yes, OL. Next question. Which of these tags is or are used with table tag? ठीक है? Yes, hurry up, Bhavna.
All of above.
Yes, all of above. Next question. Which attribute is or are used to merge rows. Okay. Yes, hurry up. Give the answer.
Row span.
Yes, it is row span. This is of XML, not in syllabus. Now, next question. Which of the following is or are attribute of a TR tag? Madhav,
Sir, all of above.
क्यों? TR tag में text होता है बेटा वहाँ पे? Text is not here.
Align.
Color is
Alignment.
not here. Yes, align
Align.
is here. So answer is align. Next question is Anshika. Yes, give the answer to start a list with alphabet E.
Yes, sir. Second option. OL
Yes.
type equals
OL
break,
type
start
equals
equals to 5.
Start equal to 5. Very good. Next question. How to write comment in not XML. HTML में comment कैसे लिखते हैं बेटा? In HTML. Madhav.
सर पिछला ही था. अभी
ये
ये
वाला.
missing है.
चलो बेटा HTML में अगर आपने कमेंट you want to write comment, this is option number 2. Next is which tag leave a blank line?
BR tag.
Yeah, this is BR tag. Very good. ELT attribute is used to display an image in the web browser.
No.
Yes, it is not used for display image. It is for giving the alternative text. If the image is not displayed, then that text will be displayed. Next question. HTML uses predefined tag, user-defined tag, both of them, all of these above. Yes. Madhav. Anshika.
Sir, predefined tags.
Yes, very good. Predefined, because tags are predefined. User can't define. Next question is to start a list with default. This is what will be the syntax? Quickly.
Sir, second option.
UL type is equal to disk. Very good, beta. Very good. Because disk is a circle with filled color. Okay, beta. Next is. Okay, students, time is over. So tomorrow we will continue this question paper. Okay, take care. Bye, beta.